The following YouTube poop you are about to watch is a re-upload that featured text-to-speech voices from Uberduck.ai and 15.ai back in 2021. Those voices have now been removed from the aforementioned websites. Other than that, no AI was used during the making of this YouTube poop. Now, sit back and enjoy the video.
A donkey named Eeyore is his friend, and Tigger and little Pooh. There's Rabbit, there's Piglet, and there's Owl, but most of all Winnie the Whoo. Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, from the little puppy all stuffed with fluff. He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, with a very silly old bear.
Surprise, sucker.
I never did drugs. Oh, it's you.
Why are you wasting your time watching television? We're going to take you on a camping trip.
But what about the white animals?
Don't be ridiculous, Piglet. We are the wild animals.
No, I mean animals like Heffalumps and Woozles.
Well, if we ever come across one of those bastards, I'll kick their asses and shoot bubblegum. I'll poke their eyes out. I'll rip their throats off. I'll even throw a Jokin right in the balls.
Maybe you could be of some use and go find some firewood for the campfire.
Right, you bag of poo. I'll go find some firewood for you.
Will you stop dancing to Mega Man music and get the damn firewood already?
Perhaps you can start by looking in that conveniently cliched spooky part of the woods.
Who do you think I am, Scooby-Doo? No, Wayne, how am I going in there? I'll look somewhere else. I could have chopped down some trees, but that dopey boots. Well, looks like I found some firewood, and I didn't even have to chop down a single tree.
Well, here we are, dear. On you.
We may not be getting internet connection for Netflix, but at least this house will hold up.
Somebody stole our house, and I forgot my Nintendo Switch.
So, Tigger, where exactly did you get the firewood?
I don't know, maybe it was luck. Wanna hear the story of the sneaky Heffalump?
No, thanks, Tigger.
Oh, come on, Piglet, lighten up, will you? Besides, what's the worst that could happen? Aside from some nightmare fuel and emotional scaring.
Heffalump, I'm getting the hell out of here.
That's my house.
Wonder what's gotten into. Holy crap. It's a huge Heffalump water balloon.
Oh, damn it.
think
I know I
we
should
better
have gotten
get away
some
from that
chocolate bars
Heffalump
and
before
graham
he
crackers.
We've been housewood.
Holy
Why, those goddamn Heffalumps are stealing our firewood.
hello, Ham.
Oh, I thought you were a monster.
Silly pig, I ain't no monster.
Oh, thank God.
I'm a Heffalump. Was it something I said?
Don't you think we should be looking for Piglet?
Let him go, buddy, there. He's such a sudden party pooper. Anyways.
See, dear, did you smell honey?
Honey. I want honey. I want honey. I want honey.
Oh, my goodness.
I want honey.
Honestly, dear, I wish you would...
I got the firewood, looky there. Now let's get out here before they catch up.
You know, I think we should really look for Piglet. What if he's stuck?
Give me back our firewood, you animal refugee.
Oh, no. That's my new house I bought off of Remax.
Take your damn dirty hooves off my firewood, fat ass.
I got a good mind to call the cops
If I
on
call
you.
animal control on you.
Oh, my God. Heffy's in trouble.
And so is Piglet.
Please, hit us down from here.
I think I just wet myself.
Have no fear, Heffy and Heffalump sent your daddy.
Please wait for me.
Dear, aren't you forgetting something?
What is it, Heffaline?
You're allergic to treetops, Henry.
Oh, sweet merciful, what just need no. Piglet was right. We should have stayed at home.